you an adjourn date.
All right, thank you, little lady.
Odell, we're just arraigning and adjourning. Oh, I've got Odell written last. Okay, sorry about that. All right.
So,
Okay.
we follow rating standing, you ask court to plead not guilty on that and set us a date, show you out, it's clear, short.
How far out you want to go for pretrial?
That'd be ideal.
What do we got?
April 23rd, Judge Martin on Zoom,
Perfect.
Time?
9:40.
All right, Mr. Morales, in the meantime, I'm going to put you on a bond. Are you working?
Yes, we're.
Where do you work? How long you been there?
6 months.
All right. First condition of your bond is stay out of trouble. Second condition is show up for court when you're supposed to. And third condition is do not purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substance unless you've got a doctor's prescription. Can you live with those rules?
Yes.
Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you violate bond? You put your hand down and scratch the note. Go out and have a beer. I don't care. I thought this was an impaired driving.
It's not.
Yeah.
It's okay though, it can be,
Yeah.
bonds, but yeah, it's an unrelated, that's.
Yeah.
The only thing that we want to make note of is we would ask the companion civil infractions travel with this.
They are.
They weren't part of the local resolution.
Yep, they are.
They're not going to default.
All right, I ran out of file before we get last minute. Are all of you waiting for Miss Knapp?
No.
The attorney?
Waiting for adjournment.
Adjournments? You waiting for an adjournment? We're getting there.
You're good, unless you wait for a notice.
Yeah, he's waiting for a notice. I'm doing it right now.
Good morning, Sharon.
Good morning. How are you today?
Good. How are you?
I'm well, dear. So we're kind of loaded today.
We have quite a few. I'm going to go ahead and it looks like Huron is here.
Okay.
I'm going to go ahead and put Huron in with you first. So Huron has Roderick Adams. That's the probation case.
Oh, this is what I wanted to ask.
Mhm.
I'm glad you said that. Does the judge, is he going to address the violation or are we just arraigning him and he's coming back later to address the violation?
Yeah, that'll be up to the judge. So I'm not 100% sure what he'll want to do. But I know that on the bottom of that recommendation from probation, they included the next date if he does want to schedule it out.
Okay. All right. Because I just wondered if he wanted me to go through everything and try to get, try to resolve it today. So it is his case.
Yes, it is
So,
his case. Yeah.
All right. So that may be something that he wants to do today.
That would probably be a good guess. I'll go
Oh.
ahead and put you in with Huron, okay?
Okay. I thought my video was on. I'm sorry.
That's okay. We can see you now. I'll go
Okay.
ahead and put you in with Huron. Thank you, Sharon.
Okay. Thank you. I appreciate you.
So she's in arraignments. So I'm going to admit Huron. Good morning, Huron. I'm going to put you in with the MIDC attorney. So, Huron assigned to arraignments. Okay. So Huron and Sharon are talking, and now we have all of our friends waiting.
All records, welcome to Jamie.
Thank you, Heather.
Seems like, well, the other day whenever I had to ask them out there for something, and I told y'all you need to just let them do this, and it's like, what is called? And I'm like, yeah, it's voting, don't say that. You can't do that.
Good morning, airport.
Yeah.
Good morning.
Good morning. I'm going to go ahead and put you into a breakout room. As soon as the attorney's available, we'll get the attorney in to speak with you. There's quite a few arraignments this morning, so it might be a little bit of a wait. Just wanted to give you the heads up about that.
Okay,
All right, thank you
sounds
so
good.
much.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Getting everybody stacked up.
Good morning, Lieutenant Smith. Romulus, I'm gonna go ahead and put you into a breakout room. As soon as the attorney is available, we'll get you matched up with the attorney.
Thank you.
Good morning, Van Buren. Do you have Mr. Gorey?
Yes.
Good morning. Mr. Gorey waived the attorney this morning, correct?
Oh, I like attorney.
Okay, you marked on the form that you waived, so that's why I was asking. So just to confirm, you would like to speak with an attorney this morning?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, it'll be a little bit. I'll go ahead and put you into a breakout room. As soon as the attorney is available, you'll speak with the attorney, okay?
But thank you.
You're welcome.
Thank you.
Andy?
I think there's a written page to get to the written. No,
Did you say something, Sharon?
He needs to be written.
I'm not on the record in the courtroom, am I?
You are currently in the courtroom, yes.
Okay, I'm gonna email you then.
All right, I'll keep an eye out for it.
Okay.
Get it right on this one. This is the dismissal side. Hard to do this. I didn't get it.
Okay. You just need me to dismiss it.
That's it.
Counsel, your appearance for Blake Page.
Three, four, six, nine, six. Carrying on the vehicle with the defendant, Blake Page was approaching and stands by right.
Would you waive formal reading?
We'll waive the formal reading standing.
All right. You got any pretrials coming up anytime soon? We'll just tack this one on.
Oh, April 9th?
Yeah, unless you want to put it over to me. I do want to look at getting him into supply for,
April 9th?
Go to April 9th should give you enough time.
yeah, it's South Gate, lives in Flat Rock.
What time?
10 o'clock.
That's with Martin, right?
That's
All right, Mr. Page, that'll be 10 a.m. by Zoom, April 9th with Judge Martin. And in the meantime, I'm gonna put you on a bond. Are you working?
I'm doing some, like internals to see.
Okay. 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 Good. Good.
He is under substance abuse with the VA.
Yeah, good. Which branch were you in?
Oh,
How long?
I'll there for about 5 years.
Thank you.
Just pay for Matthew.
Thank you. All right, I'm gonna put you on a personal bond. First condition, stay out of trouble. Second condition, show up in court when you're supposed to be there. Third condition, don't purchase, possess, or consume any mood altering substances. Can you live with that? Raise your right hand. Do you swear or affirm and acknowledge the debt payable to the court in the amount of $1,000 if you mess up on bond? Any questions? You're all set.
Okay, I'll be in touch as soon as I get.
Joe, is this pile up here all Leslie's? You put a pile right here.
Those are all.
Leslie?
So, Joe, they don't have to stop when we're doing. Yeah.
Lisa Summers?
Reports expenses, very obligated, Lisa Summers. Here. My client is here, I believe it's a show cause.
Yep.
Yeah, asked that the warrant be set aside, and that, we're waiting for formal reading and the end of the meeting. And she will please respond to double the parking in exchange for this thing.
All right. Ms. Summers, is that the way you want to resolve this? Can you pay the 150 today?
I need a little bit,
Tell me when.
I think on third.
Yeah, so I'll give you till the 10th.
How much is it, you know?
150. All right, so if that doesn't get paid, then the deal goes off and you're back with the original charge. You're all set. Stephen Summers.
Morning, Your Honor, Lindsay, 34696, attorney for the defendant. Your Honor, we ask that the judge warrant be set aside and we'll wait for formal reading this.
Thank you. All right, Mr. Summers, I've got a file here from February 14, 2026, drove while unlicensed. That's a misdemeanor. The prosecutors asked me to dismiss that when you pay the companion case speeding ticket that was up with that, which would be $230 on that one. Can you pay that?
Yeah, I'm gonna pay it, won't be, I get paid on the third also.
All right.
No objections to these.
Okay. Yeah, but I'm not gonna do that until he pays. That was the deal.
Okay.
All right.
Do I get paid the whole amount?
No, I want it paid eventually, but to get this deal, you just gotta pay the speeding ticket because that's what the prosecutor said. She'll dismiss this if you pay that.
Paid and payments.
Yeah, absolutely. So get the 230 paid on the 3rd, if you can pay that on the 10th. All right, pay that, then you get the deal. So this misdemeanor gets dismissed,
Once it's paid, copy the deal.
then the misdemeanor is gonna get dismissed, and then you can keep rolling on payments on the other stuff you owe us. Understood? All right.
You got that?
Yeah.
I didn't write anything yesterday.
It's in German, but it's really heated by stuff. No, okay.
Almost.
Yeah.
Marquise Edwards. Okay, you're right. This is Mr. Hadley. Sorry, I'm waiting for Mr. Hadley. Yep, please. Should I bring Huron in? I'm out of files, Miss Knapp.
Sorry?
I'm out of files, so if you've got more, I don't know about it.
And I got 2 dismissal.
Dismissals are already done. If the files are here, I already dismissed them.
So we're probably waiting on your 2 adjournments.
Okay.
And you don't have to run record for that.
Oh,
There
okay.
there are ones that don't have to run. Some you do, some you don't. These are the ones you didn't have to.
Ms. Greer, are you ready?
If you want to come and check, Leslie, with me. I just want to make sure. Real was. Yeah, maybe done. Okay, so then I'm just getting the
adjourn, it just did.
Yeah,
Right.
actually,
I understand.
beyond the yeah, I just not. Yeah.
Having some technical difficulties, Judge, but I am ready. I'm sorry.
All right. Who do you want to start with?
We have Huron. Mr. Adams is the only one that I've spoken with so far.
All right, Mr. Adams, can you hear us?
Yes, sir.
I've got a couple files here. From November 9, 2024, I've got a CCW carry concealed pistol charge. From November 9, 2024, I've got an operating while visibly impaired. Looks like these are both on probation. There's an allegation that there's been a violation of probation. My next probation violation date would be April 23rd at 8:30 in the morning. Let's talk about bond, Ms. Greer.
Okay, Judge, I didn't know if you were going to go through the allegations or not. At this point in time, Mr. Adams is indicating that he is without funds to pay the bond, whatever cash bond you would set. And I asked him about a tether. He is of the opinion that he wouldn't be able to work properly with the tether. And so I am asking the court, which I hate to ask, but I was asking the court for a personal bond for him. I know it's not going to happen, but if you could just put the lowest
Yeah.
amount on him, I would
Well, I guess
greatly.
I guess the other option is we could talk about the violation if he wants to just resolve it. Because what I've got is since his sentencing date in July of 25, he's done absolutely nothing. Plus he's tested positive for alcohol when he was ordered not to.
Well, we did go through those, and he would admit to everything. He has an explanation he believes for the alcohol, which is NyQuil. So I've informed him that judges
still
don't like
alcohol.
that, right? That's not going to go anywhere. But
No.
the only thing that he's denying is that he did not report to the probation officer as directed. He
Okay.
believes that he did report when he was instructed to. So there are some admissions which I would say
Okay.
that the court could go ahead
How about,
and
how about if I ask him a couple questions and then if he's
that would
got
be great.
questions for you before he enters a plea, we'll do that. So Mr. Adams, according to my probation department, you never enrolled in substance abuse evaluation? Yes or no?
Sir,
Did you do a substance abuse
that-
evaluation as ordered?
That I did not do because I was told from my
I
probation
didn't ask you
officer.
anything. It's a yes or no.
Okay, no, I
Okay.
did not.
And did you do this work program as scheduled?
Yes, sir.
How
No,
many days
Mr.
did you do?
He said he
was with
missed
you.
one.
I'm sorry, how many did you do?
I think I only had one left to do. I missed one, but I think I only had one more to do.
Okay. All right. Would you agree with me that that's a violation of probation?
Yes, sir.
Okay. And would you agree that not doing the substance abuse evaluation as ordered would be a violation?
Yes, sir, I do now.
Okay. So if you want to talk to counsel before you formally enter a guilty plea, I'll set up a breakout room for that.
Okay,
Do you want to have a breakout room? Because your options are I can set this for a formal hearing, or you can plead guilty today and we'll talk about what your penalty should be.
why don't I just plead guilty right now and see what
It's up
penalties
to you.
are?
That's an option. I'm giving you the option, but I just want to let you know if you want to talk to counsel first, I can let you do that.
No, I'll just go ahead and plead guilty.
Okay.
I gotta get this over with. I gotta get,
Satisfied that was a knowing and voluntary plea?
yes.
Yes,
Okay. All right. So you're working somewhere where?
Yes, I'm working at, Fritz Enterprise. I'm the crane operator.
How long you been at Fritz?
I've been here almost 5 years, sir.
All right. What does Berrien County want you for?
Who?
Berrien County says there's outstanding warrants from Berrien County.
I've never been there, never heard of that, sir.
Officer, you got any information or more information?
I'm flipping through the file now, Your Honor.
Thanks, appreciate that.
Is that in Florida?
Hmm?
Is Berrien County in Florida?
I don't know, I've never heard of it.
Yeah.
I have no,
And that's the kind of effect come up as a lawyer, and more people have case about it that don't know where it's at. I think it's because it's a 94 drive-through in Hunt County.
Oh. Yeah.
that's, I've never heard it. I've never heard it.
Any luck, officer?
Not in the file that I have, Your Honor. I'm only seeing
All
the
right.
two warrants here on.
Looks, from what's on the bond rec, looks like they're misdemeanor warrants. And Mr. Adams, it looks like, from my quick review of your driving record, it looks like this is the only drinking and driving charge on your record. Is that correct?
Yes, sir. I've never had
All
a
right.
ticket in my life.
Do you have any other pending cases?
No, sir.
How long have you
This
been in
is-
custody with Huron?
One night.
All right. Well, I gotta be honest with you, Mr. Adams. Based on the fact that you didn't do much I told you to do when I told you, I'm inclined to put you in jail, but I don't want you to lose that great job. What kind of shift you work?
I work from 5 in the morning till 4 in the afternoon.
Monday through Friday?
Yes, sir, and Saturday. Can I just like make payments on a fine or something? I need this behind me, Your Honor. My
Well,
life is being.
here's
my life is
the
being
problem.
destroyed.
Here's the problem. I'm not real sympathetic with that because you've had since July 25 to get this behind you. So how soon can you come up with the money you owe on this file, which is right now $1,600?
At least a couple of weeks.
I'll tell you what I'll do. I'm gonna set this for a sentencing on your violation.
Mhm.
Can you pick me a date?
Sent it for,
Just a sentencing. I don't care if it's on a regular sentencing date or not. Can you come up with it by April 23rd? That's give you a little over 3 weeks, almost 4.
Yes.
All right, listen, if you can come up with the money you owe me, I won't penalize you for violating probation. We'll just close your file out and we'll mark it as an unsuccessful probation.
Okay.
If you don't come up with the money and we got to track you down, then all bets are off at that point.
That will not happen, Your Honor.
What time are we gonna do it? 9?
I think the violations and stuff are, I'll do it at 10.
All right, so I'm gonna schedule you April 23rd at 10 a.m.
We'll get into
Now,
it.
I'll even sweeten the pot a little bit more. If you pay the money before then, you won't have to take the morning off to come work, take the morning off work to be here on that day.
Yes, sir.
All right? So
Yes, sir.
between now and then, if you pay the full $1,600, you don't have to show up for me to close this file out.
Okay. Fantastic.
Got it? Merry
Fantastic. I got
Christmas.
it. Yes, sir.
Merry Christmas.
Thank you. I really appreciate it, sir.
All right.
Thank
Make my
you.
tail wag.
Yes,
Thank
sir.
you, Huron.
Not a problem, Your Honor. Thank you.
Where we got to put you next, Sharon?
Well, I'm willing to go wherever you want me to go. I haven't spoken to anyone else.
All right, Andy will move you around.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. I'll put you in with airport, which is Willie Stennis.
Okay.
Be good to see you, Counselor Greer, always. Mama Greer been with you guys before recently?
Who?
She won't come in.
Sharon, okay.
Her? Oh, no. Not since COVID, I don't think.
She's pretty much retired. I just didn't know, like, yeah, look, she's
Yeah.
awesome.
You got a file ready? What do you got?
There should be some up there, Judge.
Oh, yeah, you're on Edwards. Edwards.
Good morning, I'm Josh Ellington on behalf and with my client. Please state, Mr. Evans, please state your name for the record. Your Honor, we're here to show, we've asked the court to recall and I discussed, kind of what happened in the 2021 case. Looks like there was a change of address and he was also defaulted on a civil infraction at that same time. I think the misunderstanding was that he just owed the court money.
Okay.
So, again, he's here apologies to the court, but he is here now.
Okay,
We have reached a resolution, Your Honor.
I see that.
Open DWS would be reduced down to an allowing an unlicensed driver to drive, and we would be tendering a guilty plea as such.
Okay, and you're currently on base with your payments? You're on track with that? Okay. Yeah, but you're not behind or anything. Yeah, okay. So did you discuss your rights with counsel? You understand those rights and the options they give you? You understand the possible penalty for the added charge? Are you pleading guilty to that charge? Doing so freely and voluntarily? Did you drive a vehicle in Huron Township on April 27, 21? At that time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? Yeah, you're legal now. Gotcha. I'll accept your plea. I'll dismiss the original charge. What should I know before I sentence?
Just, this was back in 2021 when this one happened. Like we said, he wasn't trying to shrug off responsibility, just didn't realize what was still needed to be done. His license valid, good to go now, so we just asked the court to impose fines and costs.
Good.
But it's squared up.
All right, you're working? Where at?
She put my actual tow truck down, so getting it fixed before I start back.
Okay, okay, all right. Anything else you want me to know? Okay. We got late fees on this file, so unfortunately, it was more than the normal 500. I'm gonna hit you with $700 fines and costs and 4 days on the court work program. ISS work program is an alternative to jail. You pick which 4 days you want to work. The days you're scheduled, you have to be here at 8 o'clock in the morning. Understood?
Yes.
All right.
How many hours that would be?
Generally, it's a 5-hour day, 6-hour day, and you're done. Yeah, so back here early afternoon and you're on your way. Okay?
Sure. No, so there's not a set day of the week. There's some options, but they usually.
Yeah.
That's where I think it's.
We're doing some weekends, some Saturday days, Monday through Friday, and some Saturdays. All right. As far as the money, just roll that into your current payment plan. All right. Any questions? Good luck.
If you found this case as intense as we did, make sure to hit that like button, share your thoughts in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more powerful courtroom breakdowns.